Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring commission, guys, 80% occurring, which is absolutely fantastic. It don't go down after the first month, 80% recurring. Alright, fantastic. So anyway guys, you're interested in that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure, guys. I'm going to refresh the page to make sure you guys understand that these are real numbers. They're going into my bank account. I'm not faking anything. Alright, looks like we did get a sale yesterday, guys.
Nice.
That's absolutely fantastic, guys. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, guys, is get our links. Now, I'm going to show you the link that I use in particular. I like to use this link here. I just want to show you that before I show you how to get them. Because I like this link because it promotes 3 products back to back. They all 80% commission, by the way. And that's the reason I use that link, but you can use any link that you want. Alright, guys? Alright, so first and foremost, what you want to do is go to my video there that you're watching right now and go to the descriptions. The first step 1 is going to say something like incomespeech.com link. Click on that link, it's going to take you to this page here. Alright, it's going to take you to this page here. Now what this page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business, and it tells you what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, everything like that, you know, blah blah blah, right? So what you want to do is if you're interested in the product itself, essentially what it is a funnel builder. And what a funnel builder is a series of websites to get you to buy something, like a funnel, you know, slowly to get you to buy something, like a funnel. And yeah, if you used a funnel before, you know that ClickFunnels is like the most popular one, probably the one you're using right now. It's over $100 a month. This one's only $25 a month, guys. Basically the same features, and no real limitations on them. So it's a fantastic deal just on that standards. Now second, you can make up to $20 to $100 monthly commissions for every customer. So you can make $120 off of each customer, guys. You get 10 of those. That's rent money, right? For most places. And yeah, man. And also they give a charity if you're interested in that. Check that out. Alright, so first and foremost, you decide, hey, I want to try this out. So just click on yes, I want in, right? And it's going to show you all the basic information you put in about the product, right? Blah blah blah. Now one thing I want to show you guys here, this is HBA Premium. Now if you click on my link, you get this for 14 days for free. You use my link. You got to use my link though. And basically what you get is like training on how to promote the product, like with ads or whatever, on Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn solo ads, Instagram, TikTok, so on and so forth, right? And it teaches you how to promote the product. Now it's constantly updated. The reason for that, because rules change on these websites, and sometimes something that used to work don't work no more, or something like that, or they might find a better way to promote it, or they might even find another website to promote the product on, so on and so forth. They find new ways to do things, which is really cool. So they constantly update what's, you know, the information. And that's the issue when it comes to buying training courses, so to speak. It can never really be updated because rules change all the time. Something that worked on TikTok last year ain't working on TikTok right now. You know what I mean? It's just that simple. So that's why it's bad to buy crash courses like that unless they constantly update. Alright, so they do that. So anyway, also you give you an AI content creation machine to help you make posts, titles, whatever it may be you need. Help you write articles, so on and so forth. Alright guys, so you get that as well, and it's, you get it for 14 days free. Now the best part about that is that if you get a sale with this particular product with HBA Premium, you get a sale, you keep that $100. Like I stated, 80% recurring commission. You keep that $100, guys, every week. Even though you only had the product for 14 days, you keep that sale, which is absolutely fantastic. A fantastic deal, I'd say. So now that you got your product to promote and you got your links, now we need a way to promote it. Now, as I showed there are a bunch of ways to promote this product, but what I'm going to show you in particular, the absolute easiest and simplest way to promote this product that I have ever found. All right, check this out. You go to my link in this. You go to my second link on my video here, guys. Gonna say something about my lead gen secret. Gonna take it to this page here. Now, what my lead gen secrets is that you get 100 leads per day that you email once per day. Interested in making money online, but while they're interested in making money online, they only they are very cold leads, very cold leads. They don't know who you are, so you need to constantly talk to them. And one thing that I notice works the most is very short email. Very short, clickbaity emails works in this system the best. All right. So what you do, you want to click on that, go to mailing systems, and pay attention to what I'm doing. If I don't say nothing about it, just copy with them. I might forget to say something, but anyway, you come here, and I don't know if you know, but yesterday we made this email with ChatGPT, guys, and that's what we're gonna do today. Something very similar. We're just gonna write another email very similar to this one. So we're gonna go to ChatGPT here, as we see this email here, and we're gonna just go to this right here. This is what I copied, ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna say something like, "Great." Did this like that. It'll basically do the same thing here, guys. So basically, copy something. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna say something like that. And we're gonna look at. So we just want to copy this right here. Copy this. Hold. Up. Isolate. Hold. I don't know. Something like that. I don't know. But we're gonna hold all of it. I like that. Alright, so got our email. Just like that. Very simple, very quick, very easy. As you can see, guys. And I love that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do this just in case. Sometimes I get an arrow that talks about what the spacing, so I just do this every once. That's how you fix it. If you get that arrow, that's how you fix it, guys. And very simple. So we're gonna hit perfect timing, and what that does is send an email around time people check emails. And we're gonna hit preview for two reasons. One is to check and see if our link works. Our link does work, went straight to it. All right. You want to make sure that's true, because if your link don't work, there's no way you can make money doing this, guys. You got to make sure your link works. All right, make sure that. Another thing you want to do is look at the I want to show you guys the email that I'm gonna send. So you could just pause the video and copy it if you guys are interested in using the same email. I'm using a very short email here. I'm using, and as I said before, I'm using ChatGPT to write these. They seem to work pretty well with ChatGPT, rewriting them in different ways. I digress. Just change some words around here and there. Boom, you got your new email. See how simple it is to make emails, guys, especially with ChatGPT. So that's all it takes, and you're gonna send an email. Now, one thing I want to mention as well. You are done, but one thing I want to mention: once you get a ton of emails in this system, guys, you can just do this all day. You can do this all day once you get a ton of emails in it, right? And once you get a ton in there, it only takes about 30 seconds a day, something like that. Fast as you can load up an email and send it. It takes about 20 seconds to do a day, and you make money doing it. There's no reason not to do this, guys. Very simple. It works for me. It'll work for you guys. Consistency is key, like I always state. Whatever you're doing, consistency is key. Now, if I was to tell you, now this is the easiest way to promote this product. Now, if I want to say the most consistent way, the strongest way to promote it, in my particular opinion, and that's going to be shorts. It's going to be YouTube shorts. In fact, it's going to be shorts on 3 websites in particular. I think YouTube works the best right now, but the biggest sites you want to post it on is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. All 3 of those sites are the ones you want to focus on. You can post on Twitter and all that if you want to, but focus on those 3. I personally will focus on just those 3. All right, guys. And the more you post, the better. And always keep posting. Make sure you're posting. Be consistent. Keep posting. Post. Don't worry about how good your videos is, how good the editing is, all that stuff. Bump that. Just keep posting. Post a bunch of stuff. Eventually, something is gonna go viral. And when it does, money just rings in, guys. I'm telling you, you won't have to worry about money ever again once you go viral. It just, if you got everything set up right, you got the right program to promote, once you go viral, it's over. Alright, guys. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.